Hello everyone, I'm Mana. I specialize in cooking for gut health with Sakekasu. Today, I'm going to talk about Sakekasu. You've probably heard of natto, miso, or even koji. But have you ever heard of Sakekasu? This vegan-friendly fermented superfood is packed with flavor and nutrient, and it's still a secret outside of Japan. So now, I'm going to talk about what it is and why it's amazing and how you can use it in your own kitchen. So are you ready? Let's get started.
Sakekasu is a traditional Japanese ingredient made from fermented rice. It's actually the nutritious paste left behind after brewing sake. But don't let the word leftover fool you. Sakekasu is packed with nutrients like B vitamins, amino acid, fiber, and natural plant-based protein. Because it's fermented, it's also great for your gut health, similar to miso, kimchi, or yogurt, but completely dairy-free. It's naturally vegan, gluten-free, and full of umami, that deep savory flavor that makes food taste satisfying and rich. For people avoiding dairy, gluten, or meat, Sakekasu is a flavorful way to boost your dishes without adding artificial ingredient or processed foods. So how do you use it? It's incredibly versatile. Here are some easy ways to try it at home. You can marinate tofu or vegetables, or you can mix with lemon and olive oil for a creamy salad dressing, or you can even make vegan cream cheese.
I'll be sharing more recipes and tips using Sakekasu. So if you are curious about Japanese cooking or just want to eat healthier, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And drop a comment below if you ever tried Sakekasu or if you are trying it for the first time. So thank you for watching and see you next time!